Speak up English, the key to success. Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to Speak Up English Conversations, where we turn everyday talk into powerful learning opportunities. Get ready to immerse yourself in real-life English dialogues covering a variety of topics. In each session, we'll dive deep into daily conversations, exploring different topics that matter to you. From casual chit-chat to practical discussions, we've got it all covered. But here's the best part: as you tune in, you're not just listening, you're actively learning. You'll pick up new vocabulary, enhance your listening skills, and most importantly, boost your speaking confidence. So, are you ready to embark on this language journey with us? Let's dive into today's conversation and unleash the English speaker within you. Without further ado, let's get started.
Hey, Sarah, have you noticed how our English speaking skills have improved since we started practicing every day in school?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's making a big difference. Speaking English regularly helps us become more comfortable with the language.
Totally. And it's not just about speaking in class. Even during lunch breaks or group projects, we try to communicate in English as much as possible.
It's become like a habit now, hasn't it? I find myself thinking in English more often than before.
Exactly. The more we immerse ourselves in the language, the easier it becomes to express ourselves fluently.
Plus, it's fun. We get to learn new words and phrases every day. And sometimes we even come up with our own little inside jokes.
Haha, yeah. Remember the time we tried to explain the tricky word to Mr. Johnson, and we ended up acting it out like charades?
Oh, yeah. That was hilarious. But it worked, didn't it? Mr. Johnson understood the word perfectly.
Absolutely. It just shows that effective communication doesn't always require perfect grammar. Sometimes, it's all about creativity and getting the message across. Sarah, have you tried using flashcards to practice English vocabulary?
Yeah, I've started using them recently. They're quite helpful, especially for remembering new words and their meanings.
I agree. It's amazing how quickly you can memorize words by associating them with pictures or simple definitions.
And I've been listening to English podcasts on my way to school. It's a great way to expose myself to different accents and improve my listening skills.
That's a smart idea. I've been watching English movies with subtitles to pick up on colloquial expressions and idioms.
Watching movies is not only entertaining, but also educational. It's like learning while having fun.
Exactly. And when we encounter unfamiliar words or phrases, we can always look them up and add them to our vocabulary.
It's all about finding what works best for us and incorporating different techniques into our daily routine.
Definitely. The more diverse our learning methods, the more well-rounded our English skills become.
You know, Tom, sometimes I struggle with pronunciation. Do you have any tips?
Pronunciation can be tricky, but practicing tongue twisters really helps. It trains your mouth muscles and improves clarity.
That's a great idea. I'll give it a try. Also, do you ever feel nervous speaking English in front of others?
Definitely, Sarah. But I've learned that making mistakes is part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to speak up and practice, even if you stumble sometimes.
Thanks, Tom. I needed to hear that. It's reassuring to know that we're all on this journey together.
Absolutely, Sarah. We're here to support each other and grow together. With determination and persistence, we'll overcome any challenges we face.
You know, Tom, I've been thinking about joining an English conversation club. What do you think?
That's a fantastic idea, Sarah. Conversation clubs are great for practicing speaking skills in a supportive environment. Plus, you get to meet new people and learn from each other's experiences.
I agree. It sounds like a fun way to improve my English and make friends. Do you know any good clubs around here?
Yes, there's one at the community center downtown. They meet every Wednesday evening. Let's go together next week.
Sounds like a plan, Tom. I'm excited to take this next step in our English learning journey.
Me too, Sarah. We'll make the most of every opportunity to practice and grow together. You know, Sarah, I've been thinking about our English practice lately.
Yeah, me too, Tom. I feel like we're making progress, but I think we need to set some specific goals to keep us on track.
Absolutely. I was thinking we could set a goal to have at least one English conversation every day, even if it's just for a few minutes.
That sounds like a great start, Tom. And maybe we could challenge ourselves to learn 5 new English words each week and use them in sentences.
I like that idea, Sarah. It'll help us expand our vocabulary and become more confident speakers.
And what about setting a goal to watch an English movie or TV show without subtitles once a week?
That's a fantastic idea, Sarah. It'll help us improve our listening skills and get used to the natural rhythm of spoken English.
I'm glad we're on the same page, Tom. With these goals in mind, I think we'll see even more improvement in our English skills.
Definitely, Sarah. Let's keep encouraging each other and pushing ourselves to reach our goals.